Chapter 7: Rewards and Incentives. Incentive scheme. An incentive or reward can be anything that attracts an employee's attention and stimulates him to work. An incentive scheme is a plan or program to motivate individual or group performance. It may be based on monetary or non-monetary rewards. The important features of an incentive scheme are: it should include monetary and non-monetary elements. Timing, accuracy, and frequency of incentives are the basis of successful incentive plans. It should be properly communicated to employees to encourage individual performance, provide feedback, and encourage redirection. The type and quantum of incentives are determined by the individual and the work situation. The individual. Different people value things differently. Incentives must combine money, gift certificates, praise, merit pay, and other innovative elements. The work situation. The work situation comprises of four important elements. Technology. It can change the pace of work and quantum of output. Satisfying job assignment. Flexibility in hours, earned time off, extended vacation time, and the nature of the work itself. Feedback. Connection between work and rewards must be established. Equity, fairness, and reasonableness in administration. The nature of motivation. Incentives motivate at two levels. For workers who are barely able to make ends meet, monetary incentives are more important. For employees who are reasonably well taken care of financially, non-monetary incentives are more important. Maintenance compensation. These are applicable to all employees, irrespective of productivity. Direct compensation, salary or wages, overtime, bonus, holiday premium. Indirect compensation includes insurance, pension, and perquisites. Intrinsic and extrinsic rewards. Intrinsic rewards make the job itself more satisfying and fulfilling. The components are participation in decision making, greater freedom and direction, more responsibility, more interesting work, opportunities for personal growth, diversity of activities. Extrinsic rewards are direct compensation and indirect compensation. Direct compensation includes basic wage or salary, overtime and holiday premium, performance bonus, profit sharing, and stock options. Indirect compensation includes protection programs such as insurance and pension, paid leave, services, and perquisites. Other forms of extrinsic compensation can be office furnishings, preferred lunch hours, assigned parking space, preferred work assignments, business cards, own secretary, impressive job titles. Incentive payments. The International Labour Organization has classified incentive payments in four categories. These are: earnings vary in proportion to output, earnings vary proportionately less than output, earnings vary proportionately more than output,